everyone! Today we are going to be learning how to clean our kitchen countertops. First, you will need a clean kitchen counter space, paper towels, and all-purpose cleaning spray. First, we are going to take the all-purpose cleaning spray and spray our counter 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Next, we are going to grab a paper towel. Once you have your paper towel, you may wipe down the kitchen counter. When you're wiping your kitchen counter, make sure you're getting all of the dirt and germs. You want to make sure that there is no more cleaning spray out and that everything is dry. Once everything's dried, you can stop wiping and throw out your paper towel. And that's how we clean our kitchen counters.